What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tune back in with them Jennings boys, man. We back with another video. Today, man, we on the trucking grind today. As you can see, we out here in the yard. We about to I ended up buying that hood. Not this hood, but I ended up buying that hood I said I wasn't gonna buy for $5,000. Let's go over here and check it out. Went and picked it up yesterday. Tried to find one cheaper. I couldn't really find nothing cheaper. Everything on there was either junk or it was about the same price and super far away to go get. I had to get it delivered or something. And then buying a new one, going a new route, they wanted like damn near $4,000 for just the shell. And the shell was just the hood without the grill or the headlights or the side vents. So I went back and ended up getting this one. After getting it off and looking at it, it's in pretty good condition. Just got this one little crack right here. My Argentina friends can fiberglass that and paint it back green. It's got a little bit of rust on the inside, but on the outside it's good. What's up? The black what?
That one's broke, this one's not broke.
Show me. Show me what you're talking about. You said on that one it's broke?
On that one's broke,
This one. We'll probably swap it out then. Yeah, this one,
Like, remember this is, well, this one here is already broke. Never mind.
oh yeah, we can swap those out.
Well, that one's broke down there.
Hold on, you said this one. I thought you said this one wasn't broke.
Well, I didn't think it wasn't either until this piece here is broke on the other one. But this one's broke here.
The other one probably better then.
Ooh.
I have to look at it and see. This hood wasn't that bad. It just went to shit in like 1 year.
1 year?
I'm saying like it was good in like 1 year. It just went to shit. Like for the longest time, it was good. And I went to shit. This side broke too, ain't it?
Yeah. This one's sweet though, because we'll be able to fuck with all this down on the ground. It's just one plug, boom, done.
Oh, that's easy then. And then they both up the same?
I don't know. That's what.
Same.
Look at.
Whole thing is getting this one off and getting that one over there.
Yeah, I really need that crane, bro.
That what? Crane or a forklift or something. We're gonna see how it look when it's all done, man. We'll show y'all the final product. Hopefully it fit on there right. Hopefully it all goes smooth. Think it's gonna go smooth?
Unless you want to offset it to the back a little bit, you know what I mean? I can offset it to the back, but the center would be pretty good.
I think the center look the best.
We're out. He out.
Nah, he just came in. They got cut because of the rain and
So I figured when I was heading up, I was like, yeah.
you just missed him by like 20 minutes.
I figured I got rained out.
All right, y'all, we putting the decals on the new trucks. This the before right here. Got my mans in here hooking me up. Look like he cleaning it off right now. I wish I just clean it off so it make it stick good.
Yeah, make sure it applies right to the glass.
We got one big sticker we putting in the middle. And then we putting DOT numbers and stuff in the bottom right corner right here somewhere. So we gonna see how it turn out. There we go. You need a hand?
Yeah, I didn't want to be like in the middle of where you want to go. now I got 7 years bad luck.
Yeah, y'all just did that hood wrong. Don't try this at home, y'all. So is these the same? Can it bolt up right here the same?
Yeah.
Perfect, I told you.
Yeah, I hear you.
No pull-ups, back to right in. That's how you do it. Hey, where my battery at too, man? One of y'all stole some of my batteries, man. I know I ain't slow.
Talking about Milwaukee battery?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one I asked you about.
Yeah, I got one battery and 2 guns gone. Is these pieces broke on this one? Nah, I'm good. I'm way better than the ones that's on there. What you gotta take off?
This will mount.
So what that mount to? Nah, that's gonna bolt right in. It's the same.
That's what I said.
Yeah, it's the same.
But
That
right
ain't.
there, we'll bolt to our swing arms.
Is that gonna be in the way?
What?
That right there.
This right there is gonna be gone. That's what
Oh,
I'm
you
bolting
going?
now.
Okay, okay. So you gotta take that bracket off, and then okay, I see.
Yep.
It's gone. What about them swing arm things?
We just gotta, that one needs to be welded up, and that's about all we can do with it.
And then what about this right here?
Yeah, that's, we're gonna weld that arm back onto there. There's a bushing in there.
Yeah, you better weld that before you put that heavy ass hood back on there.
No, that ain't nothing to put back on there.
Okay. But yeah, this. Huh?
You gotta clip this?
I mean, make it better. That's how. That's how I got fucked up. It's 2022, man. We doing stuff different around here.
Oh, yeah. I'll remember that.
All right, y'all. They got the first truck done. Check it out. See what the final product look like. Look good.
Yeah, so that
Good,
tape
good
on
angle.
colors pop.
What, it's still tape over the Jennings part?
No, that's.
Oh, okay.
It's off of there.
Yeah, look good. And yeah, them numbers look good in that front corner. And it's probably gonna look the same on the other side. Yeah. It's hard to see. This yeah, that look cool. Yeah, that look cool.
Yeah, like you said, that way you got to worry about.
Yeah, it look like it's supposed to start there anyways, and then if we'd have put it there, their feet would have probably tore it up, climbing up, yup.
So them numbers up quick.
Maybe having stuff all on their shoes and stuff.
Yeah,
So,
there's a
yeah,
couple of
there's the-
details or whatever on
This
this
the
side,
finished
but
product.
can't really see them.
What on here?
Yeah,
Okay.
spots, whatever, but those will all come out. A little bit of heat.
Got you. This my man installing everything right here.
Tar design.
Go ahead and check them out. If y'all need any stickers, what all y'all do?
Banners, stickers, car advertisement, DTF transfers, and a little bit of custom.
Okay.
orders and
Is
stuff
that what
like
that is right there? The DT?
Matter of fact, now this ain't DTF, but this is actually my homeboy's design.
Okay.
I got DTF on.
But it's same style of stuff, transfers and stuff like that we do.
Okay.
T-shirts and
Okay.
stuff.
Okay. Yeah, because I was looking into getting, because I want to make my own shirts. I be waiting on everybody to make the shirts, and I was just gonna give me like a little. I was looking into them DTG printers and the DTG transfer things.
Yep.
Then I seen how expensive they was. I was like, damn.
They're expensive as hell. Bro. They're expensive as hell. Like even those are cheap, really, compared to my Eco Solvent. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Okay.
my Eco Solvent, that thing's 24 grand.
Right.
Yeah,
On the t-shirt side, what you think the best thing to use to make t-shirts?
It's all about preference, really, and as long as you're going with
Easy,
high quality,
easy, and good quality.
transfers.
transfers.
Yep. Your
Is that the DTG transfer, or is that just the
DTG? You can make DT, but you got DTG transfers. You can make them on a DTG printer, but it's DTF, and then you got actually screen print transfers.
okay? So the screen print transfer is the easiest thing.
Or DTF.
Or DTF. Your DTF is going to be your most high quality and stuff.
What's
like that.
DTF? The
Direct to film.
So it goes on print the film out, and then the film go on the shirt.
It prints directly to the film.
And
or
then
with DTG is direct to garment, so
okay.
it prints directly onto like your hoodie, T-shirt,
Right.
or whatever.
So then the film, you got to put that onto the shirt, like press it onto the shirt.
Transfer.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Let me back this one out and pull the other one in for y'all. Just like that. Yeah, she broke right up. Hey, no phone calls on the job. Mr. Telephone Man. I know you went over your daytime minutes. Alright, y'all, go a better view in the daylight. New decals for the 2 new trucks. Still waiting on the 3rd truck to come in. Look good. I was going back and forth. I should go with the big decals or should I go with the door decals, but I kind of like the big ones on the side. Hello? Cancel. Cancel. They canceled tonight again. Yeah. Yeah, I'm up here at the shop. Probably a couple hours. Just fooling with trucks. I'll let you know what's going on if something pop up for the daytime too. I'm just waiting to hear everything. Alright, I got you. Alright, y'all, we finally got the hood on here. I want to hurry and finish this video before it starts raining. You can see it's coming in again, keep raining. Dylan got to put these caps and these bulbs on here. And we got to swap out these latches off the old hood. She done. Other than that, it looked good. It looked way better than it did look, don't it?
Way better.
It might have been worth the 5,000, I guess. Yeah, she back. She back. We got her sold already too, so she gonna be out of here. The only thing I need done is this right here. Put some of that what's it called? Plaster or fiberglass shit on here. Sand it down. Then I just paint the whole cab if it was me.
Good luck.
I paint the whole cab. See this one? They almost look identical for real. Almost. Up, here come that rain. All right, y'all, we're gonna check back in with y'all on the next video, man. I'm about to get inside of here before it start raining. Make sure y'all go subscribe and hit that post notification bell for us, man. We're gonna holler back at y'all. Peace.